Hey guys, Micah here doing another IML bounce back video with a product from iMarketslive, one of the best products that I think a beginner should use. Even advanced people, this product is amazing, right? And there were two trades that came out this morning and I wanted to get into at least one of them. So again, like, comment, subscribe. If you get benefits from this video, please share it. And if you're ever looking to learn how to trade Forex or you want to get started and partner with someone in iMarketslive, click on the link below, tradewithmicah.com, and let's get you off started in the right direction. So one of the things is, when you get started in anything, right, not just Forex, and anything you do, you want to start off on a solid foundation, right? You don't want to build and set your foundation faulty from the beginning. And trust me, I've done that before. And it wasn't, good, right? It's just when you start off, you need to start off the right way. And when new people join us, yes, we're going to teach them bounce back, right? Because it's simple, easy. But within a few weeks to a month, while they, profit off bounce back, we're going to teach them market structure, right? And why the bounce back. And you can visually see, hey, why did bounce back call this trade, right? And that's what we want to teach our people. We don't want them to just take signals or just use indicators. We want them to actually learn how to trade, right? And, this is, again, what we're going to teach our team, right? So again, the basic way to take the bounce back trade is, again, it's off the 4-hour time frame. You drop down 30 minutes, right? Drop down 30 minutes to draw your trend line, right? So I'm just going to do it quick for you. Draw your trend line, then you drop to the 15, and you're going to wait for the MACD to break over, and then you're going to wait for the break of trend line. So this is what I kind of see, right? Like that. And come back to break. Right? Come back down. And then finally making this break, right? That's what I see happening. But for our new guys, once you guys learn, we're going to teach you the overall look of that pair, right? So USD/JPY, let's break it down. And I'm going to tell you, again, past profits do not guarantee future profits. What I'm doing here, I'm not telling you to take the trade. I'm just showing you, if I'm going to take the trade or not, and what we're going to be teaching, our people, right? So there you go. Let's break it down a little more. Okay, so again, the bounce back was called on the 4-hour time frame, and from what I'm looking at, I'll probably end up taking this trade, right? And I'm going to show you why. Okay, let's reset. So what I just drew, right? I drew these two lines on the weekly. So look what happened, right? It came, tested the weekly trend line, tested the weekly trend line again, right? Bottom here, right? Hit the weekly, came back, right? Almost hitting the weekly again. And as you can see, price came down, right? Almost touching my weekly, right? And look at, we have a big support right here as well, right? Right here. Look how much times price, right? It resisted, came down, broke through, right? Tested what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now it's heading in the same direction, right? So this is where the bounce back comes in. Because I know this is strong support, with my weekly trend line, right? This is where I'm going to start to break it down, right? 30 minutes. Take my trend line, right? Draw my trend line. There you go. Now, this is the move that's expected, right? As Bounce Back called it, it called for a buy. Now, looking at this, I can see why it's a buy, right? From this area, we have a strong support. We have a strong support area. Also hitting my weekly trend line, right? So this is what we're expecting, or I'm expecting, right? I'm expecting price to come back down, or we could get the break here. You just never know, right? And then finally making its way up, right? And if you look in the past, it kind of touched here, right? So I'm expecting it to come back all the way up here before making a second move down, right? Or next move down. But because this is a strong support with the weekly trend line, for me, this is a good trade to get in, right? So we expect this, and what we can see on the MACD, right, is going to come back down. Eventually, make that cross up, and you're going to take your trade somewhere around here. This is just what I'm expecting, right? So if we do get this call, that's 150 pips, right? Now I'm going to leave this up, and I can either, right, once price hits here, we can look for this move, right, back down. Now, one cool thing on why you want to learn market structure, because you can go multiple ways, right? If price does break, right, if price does break and come through, right, one thing that we teach, right, flags, because the market moves in 3 ways, right? Impulse, flag, continuation. So if it breaks here, all I'm doing is waiting for a flag and then sell, right? If it breaks here, I'm waiting for that break, impulse, flag, and then I can get my buy, right? But either way, either scenario, if you know market structure, you're ready for the markets, right? So this is what I'm expecting. To me, this trade looks good. I'll probably hop into this trade on the USD JPY. Again, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for someone to partner with in iMarketslive, tradewithmicah.com. Until the next video, aloha, stay blessed.